Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to fix Roblox auto-closing problem in Windows 11. The Roblox auto-closing issue on Windows 11 can happen due to corrupted files, outdated drivers, or system conflict, and here is the best fix. Firstly, corrupt cache files can cause crashes. Deleting them may resolve the issue. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type %temp% then hit enter. Now, in the temp folder, find and delete any folders related to Roblox. When you do that, all you have to do now is just restart your computer, and when it's up again, relaunch Roblox and see if the problem persists. If it didn't work, you need to update your graphic drivers or reinstall the Roblox game. These solutions should help you fix the Roblox auto-closing issue on Windows 11. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.